Dancehall recording artist Intence involved in a serious car accident. This falls on the heels after another recording artist, Jacure, was also involved in a serious car accident. We'll be back with the details of these two stories to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. We ask you please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Well, the dancehall recording artist Intence is counting his blessing after he was involved in a serious car accident which saw him had to seek medical attention. Details surrounding the incident is still sketchy up to this time. However, the artist is said to be in a stable condition. This falls on the heels though after recording artist and reggae star Jacure was also involved in a car accident this week, and in that incident the artist's yellow Mercedes Benz got severely damaged and had to be taken away. He was not hurt in that incident. However, if you can recall a few years ago, back in 2017 as well, Jacure was also involved in another serious car accident which saw his white Mercedes Benz being totally written off in a tree. But as it stands right now, many people have been speculating as it relates to what really led to this accident as it relates to Intence right now. And as you know, Intence and Footer Hype had a social media argument the other day, and that spilled over onto many social media platforms, and Footer Hype had this to say to Intence just days before the accident. Let's go over to that right now.
As long as you live, keep it in the back of your brain. So you tell Footer Hype you go suck your mother. Remember it in your back of your brain, you know. As long as you live. Zine? So, now say nothing. Big up yourself.
So that was what Footer Hype had to say about the whole entire situation. That was before the actual accident happened. And as you know, Intence produced a song recently which called Footer Hype name in it, and it has just been a social media to and from between the two. And as you know, Footer Hype, one of the greatest selectors of all time, and Intence, upcoming DJ doing his thing. But many people are speculating online on social media whether or not Footer Hype ancestors had anything to do with what transpired with the dancehall entertainer. But we can't relate to that right now or speculate whether or not Footer Hype had anything to do with it, or it was just a clear form of coincidence transpiring here, we can say. But I believe it was just a coincidence that this happened just a few days after Footer made that statement. So we're going to give you some update as it relates now to what really transpired with the dancehall entertainer, and just to shed more light on the actual accident itself. So, dancehall recording artist Intence was involved in a serious car accident on Tuesday, July 14. According to multiple sources and close friend of the dancehall artist, the accident occurred on Old Harbor Road in Kingston. A video and photo of the accident shows the right side of the car and that would have been his Mercedes Benz, and that's his white Mercedes Benz CLA 250 badly damaged. The artist purchased the vehicle earlier this year, and we are not sure really what led to the actual cause of the accident. But Intence is the second recording artist to have been involved in a car accident, and it's just so sad right now what really transpired with the young upcoming entertainer. But the good thing is that the artist, he was not severely hurt in this incident, and even Jacure as well, he was not seriously hurt. And when you look on the magnitude of the damage and based on the side of the car that was hit, it is very unfortunate that this had to happen, and it's very clear that someone might be at fault at this. We're not sure whether it was Intence or the other motorists, because as you can see there on the clip, it was a two-vehicle collision which resulted in those two vehicles being badly damaged. But as you know, Intence has been doing his thing, creating waves on social media and also his YouTube platform, bringing fans a number of songs that has been garnered so much fan base throughout the past few months leading into last year over into this year. He has been able to garner a number of millions of views based on some of his songs. But we're just hoping for the speedy recovery of the two entertainers and hope that they do pull through this one, and hope that they can be extremely careful, especially Jack Euro. We should have seen Jack Euro involved in his second car accident in just a matter of few years and damaging two Mercedes Benz. We're just hoping that these artists just try to find a way and means of just resorting to different means, especially you're a recording artist and you're coming online and you're tracing and you're telling people about the modern. It doesn't look good, I'm telling you. But I'm not going to even get into that right now on this program. But we just want the entertainers to just live loving and just know that you're here for the fans. You're here not because of yourself, because you are what the people want, and the people are the ones that make you into stars. You just need to just supply them with music and don't follow the negativity that surrounds the music. Alright, we're gonna leave this one here for now. Links 007 TV. We ask you, remember, subscribe to the channel. Alright, Links TV. Have a blessed and productive day.
Shut your man.